Hey everyone, Antonio here. Today we're going to talk about a really popular coaching exercise, the Wheel of Life. This is usually the first exercise most coaches learn and the first exercise most coaching clients will do. The reason it's so popular is because it gives you a quick snapshot of your level of satisfaction in key areas of your life. The goal of the Wheel of Life is to help you evaluate the balance of different areas of your life and identify areas that are not as satisfying or fulfilling. Once you do this, you can focus your goals on the areas of your life where you think you need improvement. Step 1, draw a wheel and divide it into 8 parts. But you can do 10, 12, or even 6. Just make sure they're specific and relevant to you. The traditional 8 categories are as follows: career, health, friends and family, fun and recreation, money, romance, personal growth, and physical environment. Step 2, now that you have your categories, it's time for some self-reflection. Rate each category from 0 to 10. 10 being totally satisfied and fulfilled, and 0 being not satisfied or fulfilled at all. Once you've rated each area of your life, you can see visually how easy your wheel would roll if it were real. The goal is to get the areas of your life as balanced as possible so that you have a smooth ride. When someone is totally fulfilled in one area of their life, but not at all in another area, their life will have much more ups and downs. If you have areas that are rated very low, then these are the areas where you can easily set goals for improvement. Make sure to also pay attention to how the categories interrelate. For example, someone with a low rating in career might also have a low rating in fun and recreation because their job is very high stress, making it hard to have fun, or because it doesn't pay enough, making it hard to afford recreational activities. Additionally, sometimes improving on one category might make another category go down for a short time. For example, if you're trying to improve your career category and you need to go back to school for a year, that's going to bring down your friends and family and your fun and recreation category. But that's okay, because after the career goal is met, the other areas will balance back out. Some great questions to ask yourself about each category to get the best results are as follows. Have I ever been higher in this category? If so, what was the difference? Have I ever been lower in this category? If so, how did I raise that number up? What actions can I take to help raise my satisfaction in each category? What impact will it make if I choose to improve a certain area of my life? That's the Wheel of Life, folks. Thanks for watching. Peace.